Hey everyone, it's 2:06 p.m. on Friday, December 18th, 2020, and right here is a Hunter showcase series. I don't know the exact model name of it. It was manufactured in 1995, sold exclusively at Builder Square, which is now defunct. I'll throw another little tidbit. They were owned by Kmart until they got sold off by them, which led to their untimely demise in, I want to say, circa 1999. It was 98. I know definitely by 99 or 2000 they were gone. So anyway, I got this off Facebook Marketplace earlier in the year, so it was almost a year ago actually, in February. Time flies, and it's one of the rarest 90s Hunters I have. And notice that the blades look like, yes, those are Infinity blade arms, but this fan is not an Infinity per se. That's the Rosewood blades right there. Other side's high gloss oak. There's a Hunter badge right there, you can see. It came on a long down rod, but I decided to had a short down rod laying around and decided to do that, to utilize that. It does okay. And the light kit, it came just as you see it, albeit with the oak side showing, but I decided that rosewood would look better in this room, especially for demonstration purposes. And yes, that was the globe you saw on the Sojourn, and this was the one it came with, so I decided to put it back on it. So since we're on the topic, let's shed a little light on the situation, shall we? There we go. Another shot of the blades, how very glossy, and I love that. Looks like I had that side showing on the Hunter Infinity I had gotten for Christmas in 1992 for my bedroom at the time, and that side was showing. I made sure that side was. But anyway, let's look at the vents on it. It's got, you can really hardly see the vents from afar, but yes, they're there. They're like banana-shaped vents, and it almost looks like a cross. The best way to describe this fan is a cross between a Hunter Spectrum and the more popular Infinity. I think Hunter did away with the Spectrum circa 1993, if I'm not mistaken, and they did make Spectrums in polished brass and antique brass in 1991. At least that's what, according to the brochure, they did. And then they kind of phased it out, I observed in later years. So it's Infinity switch housing, and that's the light kit. Came with it. And the pull chain was something that I added just to adjust the speeds on it. You can see over that the reverse switch is over there. How I can get it in there, but it's there. Okay, let's rev it up first on low. Yeah, the chain was put there for convenience, changing speeds on it. I didn't do one for the light kit because, you know, the light kit, it's like the main source of light for this room, so I need to rely on it. So it puts out good light, and it has two LED bulbs in there which put out ambient light. Okay, medium. It's really gaining some momentum now. And let's bump it up to high, shall we? apologize if it's going in and out of focus, but it's just awesome. I love it. It has really good airflow too, just what you expect from a 90s Hunter. See that? And then you can see all the vents we were discussing earlier. See that? As long as it doesn't go in and out of focus, we're okay. And it's time for spin down. There's absolutely nothing bad about this fan. Runs well, it's in immaculate condition, it was well cared for, and I got this along with its Infinity cousin and a 6-blade, was a Colonial 2, I believe it was, sold exclusively at Lowe's. And I'll give you the backstory of these fans. The guy who sold them on Facebook Marketplace had them up for sale almost a year prior, and he wasn't sure what he wanted to do with them. You know, I guess he and his wife were talking, so let's, keep the fans to do what we want to do with them. But then they put it back up again, and I jumped on it like that, and lo and behold, they are mine. And the Colonial, 6-blade Colonial is up for grabs. I think somebody claimed it. If it's you, please comment in the comment section below. So, what I'll do is I'll bring it out to Fanimation. You can claim it there for me. Just let me know. Okay, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.